It's been a big week for people who got the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine and have been waiting to get a booster shot.
Our employees pretty much just got Moderna vaccine because we didn't have the sort of deep freezers that were required to store the Pfizer at the beginning of the pandemic. So the staff are so excited to be able to finally get it.
Over at Columbia Memorial Hospital in Astoria, preparations are underway to begin offering healthcare workers their Moderna COVID-19 booster shots next Friday, the 29th. They're planning to have full approval to use Moderna and Johnson & Johnson as boosters by next week.
My name's Chris Lehman. I'm the director of pharmacy for Columbia Memorial Hospital in Astoria, Oregon. And in that role, for about the last year, I've been a big part of the county's vaccination program here in Clatsop County.
And Lehman has been watching the process closely, a process that can be confusing.
There's a lot of acronyms and other subcommittees and things like that.
Here's a flowchart from the Oregon Health Authority explaining the process. First, the FDA, then the CDC have to grant authorization. Next,
there'll be a group of Western states, which is Nevada, Oregon, Washington, and California, that has set up their own group that will review the data and make a recommendation.
The idea to be on the same page. Then it's up to the governor to give final approval. It's a long process, but for a reason.
When you're dealing with very new information that's changing all the time and you want it to be reviewed really thoroughly so that you are making sure that it's as safe as possible. And so that's why all of these steps have been put into place.
As of this moment, Pfizer is still the only booster that's been authorized for people at least 6 months after their last shot, who are 65 years and older, and those over 18 with underlying medical conditions, live in a long-term care setting, or who work or live in a high-risk setting. Christine Pitawanich, KGW News.